It was later determined that Helena Hutchins, the director of cinematography, and Joel Souza, the director, had been shot while rehearsing a scene on the movie Rust. During the initial investigation, it was determined that actor-producer Alec Baldwin was the person that fired the weapon. We identified 2 other people that handled and/or inspected the loaded firearm prior to Baldwin firing the weapon. These 2 individuals are armorer Hannah Reed Gutierrez and assistant director David Halls. All 3 individuals have been cooperative in the investigation and have provided statements.
All options are on the table at this point. I'm not commenting on charges, whether they will be filed or not, or on whom. So the answer is we cannot answer that question yet until we complete a more thorough investigation.
But there is the potential for Alec Baldwin himself to face charges because you have not ruled them out.
No one has been ruled out at this point.
There's also was approximately 90 people on the movie set itself. So there's a lot of interviews that need to be done still in this case, and that's going to be important. There's a lot of facts that are floating around. I wouldn't say facts. There's maybe facts and rumors that are floating around, and it's our job to figure out if they are facts or rumors. We know there was 1 live round as far as we're concerned on set. We're gonna determine whether we suspect that there were other live rounds, but that's up to the testing. But right now, we're gonna determine how those got there, why they were there, because they shouldn't have been there. There was a search warrant that was issued in reference to any camera footage. There was camera footage, but I can say that there was no footage of the actual incident. Well, obviously, I think the industry has had a record recently of being safe. I think there was some complacency on this set, and I think there are some safety issues that need to be addressed by the industry and possibly by the state of New Mexico, but I'll leave that up to the industry and the state to determine what those need to be.
It is a very complex case. It will require lots of legal research and analysis and review. That's what my team is here for, and that's how we're assisting the sheriffs at this point. That said, again, we don't know how that's going to play in until we get that complete investigation. I'm not going to answer hypotheticals today. I will say there is a bridge, and it will take many more facts, corroborated facts, before we can get to that criminal negligence standard. And again, they're gathering that as we speak.